Good day. Today we're going to look at the demarcation for the March 2025 test for Year 4 Electrical Technology. In your workbooks, Health and Safety, page 7 to 11, First Aid, page 12 to 20, and Tools, page 21 to 30. Let's look at the workbooks. Start on page 7 with Health and Safety. Housekeeping principles. Understand what is good housekeeping principles. There is a list of all the housekeeping principles. Make sure you understand them and know them. Advantages and disadvantages of good housekeeping. Make sure you know them. Then on page 9, we're going to look at fire extinguishers. There's a list of different types of fires and different types of fire extinguishers to be used for each fire. Make sure you know the difference between the fire extinguishers and the types of fires, and know what fire extinguisher to use for which type of fire, especially in the electrical workshop environment. Page 11 explains how to use a fire extinguisher. At the bottom, the different types of fire extinguishers. Make sure you understand that. If we go over to page 12, we're looking at basic first aid. The first aid kit, important. If we look on page 13, there's the different components that must go into a first aid kit. Make sure you know the components that must go into a first aid kit. HIV and AIDS, make sure you understand how to protect yourself when coming across a situation like that. And then we can move on to tools. Tools starts on page 21. These are different tools, your power tools. Make sure you know what is the name of the tool and what it is used for. Angle grinder, bench grinder, hand drill, drill press. Then also we got different grinding discs. Make sure you understand what each grinding disc is used for. We use it in this grinder, the angle grinder. So they different uses for different discs. We've got a different disc there. Then we're looking at drill bits. Make sure you know what drill bit is used for what application. And you can go through, there is the description of the different tools. And if you know all this, you'll do well in the test, and good luck.